You see this strategy, guys, it also works with how you can think, your sense of reasoning. You understand? So I'm going to tell you the reason why I said that. So, guys, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola King. I am the lead instructor. Quick one, let's first add all these indicators to our chart. Go to your indicator window and add moving average of oscillators, which is OSMA. So let me first delete this so that we can add it together. So click on the main chart, the F sign, go to under oscillator. Let's moving average oscillator. This is it here, moving average of oscillators. Leave the settings like this: the fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, mark DSMA 9, apply to close, type 3 pixel, any pixel of your choice. You can leave the level, just leave it everything under the default setting, you understand, then click on done. You can choose any color of your choice, then click on done. So after that, come to the main chart again, click on the F plus, find the moving average, normal moving average this time around, not moving average of oscillator, then the period 200, shift 0, method exponential. So then you can use any pixel of your choice and any color, then click on done after that. So if you do it correctly, you should have something like this on your charts, you understand. So we all know that moving average works for trend. It tells us when the market is in uptrend and when the market is in downtrend. For beginners who is new to the market, when the candles is below the 200 moving average, it tells you that the market is in downtrend, that is the market is selling. And when it is above, it tells you the market is buying. So what do you do under this market? Boom, we sell. So we want to sell for boom, we want to scalp 5 to 10 candles. So how do we do this? You see this Osman oscillator is also a trend oscillator, you understand. It tells us when there's a deceleration in the momentum, so when the trend is going to change. You can see this, all these bars. If it is above level 0, it tells us the market is buying, but if this bar started reducing, it's giving us signal for sell, you understand. So this is how you are going to enter for sell after seeing that the market is above the level 0 and you want to sell. So you first confirm the moving average. Where is the position of the moving average, you understand. So once you see that the spike doesn't break the moving average, that the candles are still under the moving average, you look into the OSMA. So you will see that the candle will be above level 0. Then you started notice when the bar started reducing. So and when you see any candle reduce below the half of the highest one, this is where I said you have to this strategy works the way how you reason. So this is the highest candle here, highest bar, right? So you will look when you started seeing the bars reducing. When you see anyone that reduced below the half of the highest one, you can see that this is below half of the highest one. You should use, and there's no any tools on that on a what does it call, the MetaTrader. So unless you want to use the cross-share, but that will be stressful somehow. So you just use your eyes to gauge. You can see that this is below the half of the highest one and the candles are still below the 200 moving average. So what do at the close of the candle on this bar? So you sell. So that means you enter for sell here. Sorry. So at the close of this the candle on this bar, you sell. So which means you sell here. So you count your 5 to 10 candle and assess the market. Simple as that. So you now see that you must be able to use your eye to gauge this. Let's find some entry. So the market is still selling, so there is no entry for us there. You can see another one here. So though the spike break the moving average, so before you must do anything, the candle must come under this. So how do we do that? After confirming the highest of the candle, you see that this is below the half, you understand. So this is below the half, so you check the one that is below the half. If the candle has fall under the 200, you can see it has fall already. So this is the candle, so you enter for say here. So as simple as that, the strategy is very okay for scalping. Just simple, no stress. So guys, If you are new to this channel, click on subscribe button and don't forget to click on notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we drop a new video. This strategy is very suitable for boom 1000 crash 1500 market. So it's work on 300, but it's not that efficiency like 1500. So guys, always trade responsible.